Hey guys, it's Mr.Blais with a quick tech tip for this week. I know a lot of you guys are at home trying to figure out how to take a photo of something if you don't have a phone or a tablet, but you do have a Chromebook, and your Chromebook does have a camera in it. But now, how do you figure out to use your camera to take a picture using your Chromebook? And the second part will be how to take that photograph and to insert it into a Google Doc or Google Slide or photo editing site, whatever you need it for. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to mouse over to the bottom left to your taskbar, and you have a launcher button. It looks like a little circle here in the left-hand corner. I'm going to select that. Now in here, I'm going to select the search bar. I already have the camera icon here, but if you don't see the camera icon, just type in camera, and then it will appear. Select it, and now the camera should open up. That's me. So I just want to show you around the camera screen a little bit. Here we have the settings menu up here. Click that. You can select the type of grid you want. You get a couple options. You click back. You can leave it on or just click off and it goes away. Also toggle the grid on and off here. Now if you notice, if you look at the words on my hat, it says text. It's an artist, text artist, who's awesome, by the way. Really cool. And if your words in your hat or your shirt or something are backwards, like that, then all you have to do is select this mirroring tool on the left-hand side. You have your grid, and you also have a little timer if you want to do like a little selfie timer. We know how you guys like selfies. You also have a video option. Toggle the video, select to record when you're ready. Photo, that's where we were. Or square, more of an Instagram ready, so it doesn't get cropped. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and just go back to photo. I'm gonna select the little circle. How's that? A little cheese. All right, we're gonna close this down. Now we're going to go to Google Docs first. I'm going to select Insert, Image, Upload. Once you're here, then it should be one of the first photos up. Select the top left-hand corner. You know it's selected because it's highlighted with blue circle. Select Open. Now in Google Docs, what I recommend is selecting the picture, and then select underneath it, Wrap Text. It's the middle icon. What this allows you to do is to resize it so you can move it where you'd like to. Otherwise, it's going to be kind of a pain in the butt and not move where you want it to be. So there we go. That's Google Docs, Google Slides. There it is. That's one from before. I'll delete that. I just want to click Insert. And then I'm going to select Image. Then I'm going to select Upload again. And once it loads, I'm going to select that same photo, select Open. And that's pretty much it. That's it for here, Mr.Blais this week for your tech tip. Feel free to reach out to me and let me know if you have any other requests. And again, you can use this program, take photos, and insert them in any other program, not just Google products. Take care, guys. We got this.